Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, we all know that Government of Canada has announced updated rules for student visa, international student visas starting next year. Now people are appraising it and I also do appreciate it. People are appreciating it, sorry. So, but there's a point I would like to say. I'm not gonna go in terms of impact, how it's gonna do something, but rather I'm gonna discuss another aspect of it. So guys, like 20,000 something dollars per year. Do you really think this is sufficient amount? Well, based on today's world, I would say that even this updated amount is not enough. And if you're coming to Canada, please, like, this is my suggestion to you. If you are, it's up to you if you want to take or not. Any outcome, you will be responsible. That please bring more than this, as much as you can, because inflation is too high here. Cost of living is too high here. Anywhere you go to rent a house room, it's gonna be expensive. You don't want to be cramped in a situation where multiple people are sharing a single room and struggling to make even your sleeping perfectly. That is not something, a condition of something you would like to have. So if you follow or if you agree to me, I would suggest you that bring more money to you for adverse situations. Just do not think that if you meet that much criteria, it will be sufficient for you for your stay, because ultimately I have seen that because of very high cost of living, some people, some students work illegally, some fall into criminal activities. Don't do this. Instead, plan in advance so that you can do well. So this is what I would say, that uh, uh, according to what I see over here, even this amount of money is not sufficient and you need to bring more. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.